Hello. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to share with you a simple procedure you can use to estimate the distribution uniformity score of your drip irrigation system. Let's get started. A distribution uniformity test, also known as a DU test, is a simple and effective method you can use to determine how efficiently your drip irrigation system is delivering water evenly throughout your field. Now, a distribution uniformity test can be performed, and you basically get a score that then evaluates how efficiently your system is performing. Having a low DU score basically means that you have a lot of variance in water output throughout your field. This can lead to underwatering or overwatering, which can then lead to crop stress. If you have a high DU score, this basically means that your drip irrigation system is irrigating evenly and efficiently throughout your field, and you can be confident that your crops are getting the water they need at the right amount of time and the right amount. Now, there are a number of factors that can contribute to a low distribution uniformity score. These factors can include plugging, which can be caused, as we mentioned before, due to biofouling or high minerality. Another factor can be a variance in emitter type, variances in elevation throughout your field, or variances in pressure. You can also have a change in water quality in the middle of the season or before the season, which can then of course lead to some of these factors. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at what are the steps that consist a distribution uniformity test in your field. When performing a distribution uniformity test, you want to collect samples from 36 emitters. So what you want to do is you want to take your sample plot and divide it into 4 equally sized quadrants. You're going to collect samples from 9 emitters in each of these quadrants to total your 36. Now, when you're sampling the emitters, you want to make sure that you're sampling from various rows so you can have a pretty well distributed sample size. And what you're going to do is collect water for 30 seconds on micro irrigation systems, but if you have buried drip tape, you're going to collect water for 2 minutes. After collecting all of your data and all of your water samples, you're going to pull it all together and run it through the calculation that we provide. Now, the calculation is going to give you a DU score. Now, depending on what your score is, that'll tell you how well and efficiently your drip system is performing. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll be sure to get back to you. This is Mayor's Water Solutions, helping you stay efficient and improve the performance of your drip irrigation system.